Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the text size at the Poco X7. For that you will need the settings for. So just scroll down here right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera, so then you're at the control center, and the part of the control center is always here the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to go to the point display and brightness. And a bit below you will find the point phone and phone settings. So just tap now on phone settings. And you can choose the size of your texts now of the phone. So if you want to decrease it to have it a bit smaller, go like this, or if you want to increase it, go like that. So basically it's on S now. I've changed it already to L that you can follow the video better, but I don't recommend to you to increase it too much because it will affect the notification in a negative way, because they are too large now and you can't read them well anymore. So just go, if you want to increase it, at maximum here on L size. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe at the next time. Ciao.